Hi everyone, I'm Smileypeacefun and guess where I am? I am in Detroit. Can you remember where my last video ended? It ended with me flying from New York because I stayed there for a week. But I did not fly home. I flew to Detroit and I'm here for ISM, which is the Incredible Science Machine, which is one of America's largest annual chain reaction. And I'm finally this year part of it, which is so exciting, and I already met a lot of cool machine and domino builders. And yeah, today is the arriving day, and yeah, hope you will have fun following me around.
Echoes of your words crashing into me, drown me in your lies, and there's no way to breathe. And my walls will keep you down. I am safe without the sound of you around. It's getting colder, and I'm the storm that's taking over.
So it's the day of flying home. Some intense days, guys, but I loved it. I loved the theme. It was games on. These were all like smaller projects with a lot of cool tricks and techniques. It was so interesting to not only see the domino builders, but also get to know the machine builders and how they build their chain reactions without a lot of dominoes. I was so proud of all the domino projects I made. I had a chance to find out what I'm best at building and what I can improve, and I did improve, and the audience was so cool and happy about the event, and the fall down itself went pretty good. There wasn't a lot that did not work, and in the end we all achieved a new American domino record, which is crazy. I'm so happy to be a part of this record, to be a part of this team, ISM 2017. I will miss everyone here. If you want to see the full fall down, I will leave you a link in the video description below where you can find the channel of one of the event coordinators. So yeah, I hope you guys liked my follow me around and all the expressions you saw, and yeah, hopefully see you next time. I'm Smileypeacefun. Bye!